I think I have found the ultimate building acoustic measurement setup here. It's the Norsonic 150. I got an extension cable. I got the Manfrotto selfie stick here, which is a telescope. You can extend it quite far. You can reach when you do the sweeps. It's excellent. And there's even this little handle here, so I just found out I can hang it like this, because here is like a dirt floor, so I don't want to get it all crappy and dirty. And this is the really good part, because now I have upgraded my stand here, so I can do like this. I just click it, and now the sonometer is loose, and I can do it like this. When I want to measure, oh, sorry about that. When I want to do the sweeps now, I'm completely mobile. Move around, because it's not good to have this one on a tripod when you're going to do the sweeps and do sound level measurements. I find it easier to have it like this in your hand. You do the sweeps, but when you do reverberation time measurements, it's absolutely excellent to just put it here on the stand, because then you can operate this one, start, stop, save files, and you just reach out and do your measurement positions like this. It's absolutely great. And there's even one more upgrade here that I found out. It's a camera cord like this, and this means that I can do like, oh, now the hearing protectors are in the way. Let's get rid of those. So, and this is like a safety precaution if you're moving around, perhaps at a building site, what's it called, platforms outside of the building or in a high place. Or I did measurements in a harbor once above open water. Then this could really be a lifesaver if bad luck strikes. So this one's attached to the back plate inside this with a small little, and then you have this little clip-on that clicks to the tripod. And also the tripod itself is, let's put this one away for a moment. This is like a deluxe model of the Manfrotto. It's called Manfrotto Element. And this one is made of aluminum. It's metal, it's strong. This can take a beating when you're out at the building site, which is great. And the great thing with this one is, if you put this one together with the telescopes, I can just show you like so, and then you can fold it together, all three legs like this, and it's tiny. It's really tiny. I just put it in a backpack, so you can take it on an airplane. No problem at all if you need to. So this one is absolutely great. And then you have a, oh wait, I forgot one of them, like so. Tripod, and you can connect your microphone to it if you want to do stuff like that. So I think even I'm gonna go grab another one of these, because they are so great. I mean, a really sturdy tripod that takes no space at all, and it's durable. So in combination with the Norsonic 150 dual channel, selfie stick, extension cable, this one, and this one, and you can just put it together like this. I think this is what I've been looking for my whole life as an acoustician. And then this little that I just figured out moments ago. You can leave it like this if you want to go and do something else, and you got your hands free and your equipment is pretty safe like this. Because when you're in your building site in early stage, it's rare that you can put the stuff somewhere, and it doesn't feel good to have really expensive equipment like this lying on the floor in case you kick it or step on it or something. So I hope you can find this useful. Have a nice day. See ya.